In this tutorial video, we'll describe how to customize your lead generator. A lead generator is a way to collect email addresses from your site visitors. On the sample site here, for instance, if we press the subscribe button, we'll get a modal with a couple form fields that allow a site visitor to put in their name and email address. Once you collect these names and email addresses, you'll be able to use them to contact your prospective or current clients. So to get started, let's go to the admin page, and then we'll go down to the email marketing tab. You'll notice there's videos here describing how to use the various email marketing features that we have at OfferInTree: newsletter, automated emails, and then the third tab is the lead generator settings. This is what we'll talk about today. So there's three different types of lead generators that we offer. The first being the subscribe button on top nav bar type. That's what's on everyone's site as default. And you'll see there's a subscribe button on the toolbar that I demonstrated earlier, and then a modal pop-up where the user can put in their information. So with this option selected, what we can do is we can customize the title, which is here, stay in the loop. So I could change this to follow me, and then you can see it updates here in the preview. And I also have the ability to update the text that's shown here. So I can add language here. I can also add images using the rich text editor here. And that'll allow you to put in custom content, and if in case you have a lead magnet, which is like maybe a giveaway, so people are more likely to hand over their email address to you if you're giving them something in return, and then you can advertise that on your site and hopefully get more signups. And you can also edit the button text here, so you can change this to follow, and you can see it updates. It'll not only update the action button in the form, but it'll also update the button title and the navigation bar on your site. So that's the first type of lead generator. The second type is an automatic pop-up. That's very similar to the first, except this option will now pop up the modal automatically without the user having to press the button in the navigation bar. So we actually get rid of the button in the navigation bar, which can make your site look a little bit cleaner, but it will pop this up automatically. And that does prove to get people to interact with the form, and you'll probably get more email addresses, but we leave it as a preference because some people don't like automatic pop-ups on their site. And then you have the same options here to customize the pop-up. And then the third option is none. So some users are not interested in collecting email addresses and they don't want the clutter of the subscribe button. So we offer this option as well. And that will do it for this short introductory video on lead generators. Thank you for watching.